Hey guys, before we get into the video, please like and subscribe. It will help me out a lot. And put the bell on if you want to see more videos like this, because I'm going to be posting more review videos. Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be reviewing the Gk61 from HK Gaming. So it comes in this really cool box with the HK Gaming logo. It looks pretty clean, and it's just cardboard, all of that stuff. These are the ones I ordered. See, Gk61 black RGB backlight and a blue Gator 1 switches. So let's open this. Okay, so in the box it comes with this really cool Gk61, the keyboard, an instruction manual, and right behind here it comes with a cable, because a charging cable, USB charging cable, and it comes with a switch puller because it is hot swappable, which means you can change the switches, and a keycap puller to take off your keycaps. So that's really cool. So as you can see, it has like all of these keys and all of them, and it tells you which one are the function keys and stuff. This keyboard is also Bluetooth, which will be very useful to bring around. And there it is. How the Gk61 is a 60% keyboard, and the front of these keycaps, I'm not a big fan of them. It's like these like futuristic robotic like type of keycaps, and it has all the functions things on it, so everything's what they do. On the side it is pretty glossy on the side of the keycaps, which I'm not a big fan of gloss, but it is on the sides, and I'm not going to be touching those. On the back of the keyboard, it comes with the same logo that's on the box, and it says made in China right there. And it has 4 rubber feet to support the keyboard. You can't customize its height, but it is a pretty good height that most people would enjoy using. So I took the keycap off. It is really good keycap, but it is ABS plastic, so it's not the best keycaps, but it is good for the price, since it is coming at 99 bucks, which I got it from Amazon, or you could get it from Banggood, and it will be both in the link in the description below. So yeah, see, as you can tell, sometimes there's more than one color on the switch, which is really annoying, but it is pretty good. Okay, so there's another type of effect that's like reactive, so let's look at it. This one I did find really weird. It's cause look, when I'm talking and it's playing, like it's like a microphone thing inside it. The microphone's actually in the space bar, so see, as you can see, it reacted to my sound. But my favorite one is this. You can also change the brightness of the effects. I like it bright, but not too bright. So this is a really good thing for me. You can also change the speed of the effects. As you can see, this is very slow, but when I put it to the max, it is very fast. I like it very fast because it doesn't show the weird effects of the two colors in one keycap. Overall, the keyboard is a really good price, and it has various switches and it is hot swappable. So if your switches break or don't work anymore, you can just take the keycap off with the keycap remover and take the switch off with the switch remover. But you can only change the switches with Gator 1 switches. I have the blues, and the blues are pretty loud. The keyboard is very sturdy and is very heavy too. The keycaps are not the best, and they also have gloss all around them except for the top. The lighting effects are really good, and I like how it includes the software. See you guys later.